Zara, one of the world's most recognizable fashion brands, has revolutionized the fashion industry. As the flagship brand of Inditex, Zara's meteoric rise from a small Spanish clothing store to a global fast fashion leader is nothing short of extraordinary. But what's the secret behind its success? In this video, we'll uncover the untold story of Zara, exploring its unique business model, innovative strategies, and the controversies surrounding fast fashion. By the end, you'll understand how Zara changed the way we shop, for better or worse. Let's dive in. The story of Zara begins in 1975 in La Coruña, a small city in Spain. Amancio Ortega, a visionary entrepreneur, founded Zara with a simple mission: to bring affordable, stylish clothing to the masses. Ortega's first store was a modest operation, but it quickly gained popularity for its ability to mimic high-end fashion trends at a fraction of the price. Ortega's decision to prioritize affordability and trendiness was groundbreaking at the time. While luxury brands catered to the elite, Zara democratized fashion by making stylish clothing accessible to a broader audience. Ortega's philosophy was simple: customers should not have to choose between fashion and affordability. Unlike traditional retailers, Ortega focused on a vertically integrated business model. By controlling every step of the production process, from design to manufacturing to distribution, Zara could deliver new styles to customers faster than anyone else. This early commitment to efficiency laid the foundation for Zara's future success. Zara's rise demonstrates the power of innovation and adaptability in breaking into a competitive market. Starting small with a clear vision can lead to global success. Zara didn't just participate in the fashion industry, it transformed it. By pioneering the fast fashion model, Zara redefined how clothing was designed, produced, and sold. Traditional retailers operated on seasonal schedules, releasing new collections 2 to 4 times a year. Zara broke the mold by introducing fresh designs every 2 weeks. This rapid turnaround is achieved through Zara's just-in-time production system. Designers closely monitor runway trends, customer feedback, and even social media to create new styles in real time. Manufacturing occurs locally, allowing Zara to replenish stores with new inventory in as little as 2 weeks. This revolutionary approach disrupted the industry. Consumers could now find trendy, affordable clothing that mimicked high-fashion designs without waiting for traditional seasonal collections. Zara's ability to respond quickly to customer preferences became its competitive edge. A dress inspired by a Paris Fashion Week runway show can appear on Zara's shelves within days, offering customers high-fashion looks without the high-fashion price tag. This responsiveness not only captures market trends but also creates a sense of exclusivity, as designs are often rotated quickly, making them feel unique. Speed and responsiveness are key to thriving in today's fast-paced consumer landscape. Businesses that can adapt to shifting trends often outpace their competitors. Zara's vertically integrated supply chain is one of its greatest strengths. Unlike competitors that outsource production to distant factories, Zara owns or closely collaborates with its suppliers. This control allows Zara to 1. Reduce lead times. By manufacturing close to its design centers, Zara can quickly adjust production based on demand. This agility allows the brand to respond immediately to changing trends or customer preferences. 2. Maintain quality. Direct oversight ensures consistent quality across products. This is crucial for maintaining customer trust and satisfaction. 3. Minimize waste. Zara produces smaller batches of clothing, reducing overproduction and unsold inventory. This strategy also aligns with a growing consumer demand for sustainability, as waste is kept to a minimum. If a particular item sells out unexpectedly, Zara can swiftly restock or introduce a similar product, minimizing lost sales opportunities. The localized production also reduces transportation costs and environmental impact. Vertical integration provides agility and control, crucial for meeting dynamic market demands while maintaining quality and reducing waste. Zara's retail stores play a pivotal role in its success. Every Zara location is designed to be a sensory experience, with clean, minimalist layouts that emphasize the clothing. Frequent inventory turnover creates a sense of urgency among shoppers, encouraging them to buy now or risk missing out. The strategic placement of Zara stores also contributes to its success. Zara invests heavily in prime retail locations, often opening stores in high-traffic areas like Fifth Avenue in New York or Oxford Street in London. These flagship stores serve as brand ambassadors, reinforcing Zara's image as a fashion-forward yet accessible retailer. Customers associate Zara with prestige and quality, even at an affordable price point. The placement of stores in high-profile areas creates visibility and brand prestige, attracting both loyal customers and curious passers-by. The shopping experience is as important as the product itself in building customer loyalty and driving sales. A strategic retail presence can elevate a brand's image and attract a diverse audience. Zara's success is also rooted in its embrace of technology. The brand uses sophisticated data analytics to track customer preferences and sales patterns. Store managers play a critical role, acting as intermediaries between customers and designers. They report daily on what's selling and what isn't, providing real-time insights that shape Zara's offerings. The company's logistics are equally impressive. Zara's distribution centers use advanced automation to sort and ship products worldwide with remarkable efficiency. This tech-driven approach ensures Zara stays ahead of trends and meets customer demands without delay. If a particular jacket sells out in Tokyo, Zara's system can identify the trend and redirect stock from nearby regions to meet demand. This responsiveness keeps inventory fresh and minimizes overstocking. Leveraging technology to understand and respond to customer behavior is a game-changer in retail. Data-driven insights allow companies to anticipate trends and optimize operations. Despite its success, Zara has faced significant criticism over the years. Fast fashion's emphasis on rapid production and low costs often comes at the expense of ethical and environmental considerations. Critics highlight issues such as labor practices, allegations of poor working conditions, and low wages in supplier factories. Investigations have revealed instances of unsafe environments and exploitative practices. Environmental impact. The fashion industry is one of the largest polluters, and Zara's rapid production cycles contribute to textile waste and carbon emissions. The short life cycle of fast fashion items exacerbates the problem, as consumers often discard clothing after only a few uses. Planned obsolescence. Zara's model encourages overconsumption by promoting constantly changing trends, leading to disposable fashion. This approach fuels a cycle of waste and unsustainable consumer behavior. Investigative reports have uncovered instances where Zara's suppliers failed to meet basic labor standards, tarnishing the brand's reputation. Environmental watchdogs have also criticized Zara for its contribution to global textile waste. Success comes with responsibility. Companies must balance growth with ethical and sustainable practices to maintain trust and relevance. Zara's journey offers valuable insights for entrepreneurs and established businesses alike. Stay agile. Adaptability is crucial in a fast-changing market. Zara's ability to pivot quickly keeps it ahead of competitors. Businesses that embrace change and innovate in response to market demands often thrive. Customer-centric approach. Listening to customers and acting on their feedback fosters loyalty and drives innovation. Zara's model demonstrates the importance of understanding and catering to consumer preferences. Invest in efficiency. Streamlining operations from supply chain to retail maximizes profitability and minimizes waste. Efficient systems also allow companies to scale effectively and sustain growth. Startups can emulate Zara's focus on customer feedback and rapid iteration to refine their products and services. Even small-scale businesses can benefit from prioritizing efficiency and responsiveness. The principles that made Zara a global powerhouse can be applied to businesses of all sizes. By prioritizing innovation, customer focus, and operational excellence, companies can build enduring success. Zara's rise from a small Spanish store to a global fashion icon is a testament to the power of innovation, efficiency, and customer focus. While its fast fashion model has reshaped the industry, it also raises important questions about sustainability and ethics. As consumers, we have the power to influence brands like Zara by demanding greater transparency and responsibility. What do you think of Zara's impact on the fashion industry? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into the stories behind iconic brands. See you in the next video.